Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Today we will start the chapter 7, Metabolism. In this chapter, we will talk about the chemical reactions in the living organisms. A chemical reaction is a process in which reactants are transformed into the product through the breaking or forming of chemical bonds. There are two types of reactions. One, which is called as exothermic chemical reaction, in which the energy is released. The second, endothermic reaction, is that in which heat or energy is absorbed. The reactions can be reversible or irreversible, and it can occur through a sequence of elementary steps or in a single step. Combustion of methane is an example of irreversible exothermic reaction in which carbon dioxide and water is formed and a lot of heat is evolved. Biochemical reaction is a type of chemical reaction that takes place within the living organisms involving biomolecules like proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates. Biochemical reactions are catalyzed by the enzyme, which increases the rate of reaction. They involve substrates, which are the reactants in biochemical reactions, and the products. Biochemical reactions are very important for maintaining the life processes like digestion, energy production, DNA replication, etc. Some of all the biochemical reactions that occur within a cell or organism to maintain life is called metabolism. It includes all the chemical reactions which occurs in the living organisms, for example, photosynthesis or respiration, etc. Metabolism is divided into catabolism, in which the molecules are broken down to release energy, and anabolism, in which the molecules are formed and this process required the energy. Let's see the catabolism in detail. Catabolism is the process in which the larger molecules are broken down into smaller ones and the energy is released during this process. Catabolism is an exothermic reaction in which the energy is released. It provides energy for cellular activities and generates basic building blocks for anabolism. The examples of catabolic processes is the cellular respiration include the breakdown of glucose, which is called as glycolysis. Anabolism is the constructive metabolic process in which smaller molecules are assembled into larger, more complex molecules. They typically require energy. Anabolism is an endothermic process in which the energy is absorbed. They are very important for the growth, repair, and maintenance of cells and tissues. For example, protein synthesis, where amino acids are linked to form the proteins. Photosynthesis is also an anabolic process. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.